Hi, I just wanted to show this 1911 that I got from Standard Manufacturing. It seems to be a very beautiful gun. It's a custom made, hand finished model. It's color case hardened all the way through, inside and out. I just want to see if we can get this color case hardening, the color to show. So it's made by Standard Manufacturing. I was going to see if I could show that. There we go. Standard Manufacturing. It's a beautiful 1911. The colors are great. Rosewood grips. It's finished that way inside and out. The color case hardened is true color case hardening. It's done with bones and charcoal. I'm sure it's chicken bones or somebody's bones. I mean, I don't know whose bones they're using, but it's a real color case hardening. Pretty beautiful. It's a very interesting piece. It's kind of expensive, but it's one of those things that I felt like I had to have. I've got other 1911s. This is just a beautiful gun. Look at that. I mean, the color case hardening is just gorgeous. It's got the checkering on the front strap. It's got checkering on the back. Look how gorgeous that glossy finish is. So like I said, I've got these other 1911s in my collection here that I like to shoot and carry. They're standard 1911s, different price points, but and of course I've got my single actions that I shoot a lot of. Here's some other single actions, double action. There's a Smith & Wesson Model 19 in there, and then there's some other single action stainless steel, blue, charcoal blue, beautiful different single actions. So like I said, this 1911 was just something I wanted to get out there. It's got nitrate blue screws and stuff, beaver tail, Novak sights. It's a pretty gun. So anyway, thank you for looking.